In this video, we are going to learn about the vowel signs or diacritics. Each consonant will be having a vowel sound also. So let's see the vowel and how the consonant will have the vowel sound, how we will write that. So the first vowel was A. Let's see how to write A again. So here is A. Let's see how can we have the A sound to a consonant. Let's use Ka as an example for this particular exercise. So we'll write Ka. So for A sound, we can write just the consonant only. Ka as in kalam. Kalam means pot. The next vowel sound is A. Let's see how to write A. So we'll learn the vowel A. Let's see how A sound is used for the consonant Ka. So we'll write Ka first. Ka. And if you want to make this one Ka, we have to write like this here. So that is Ka. The next vowel is E. Let's write E. Now let's see how we are going to use E sound on the consonant Ka. So we'll write Ka first. And to make Ka with E sound, we will put a single, this is called key now. This together it is key. Key as in kinnar. Kinnar means well. Now let's see how the vowel sound E is used. So we learned E. And that is E. Now to make Ka to Ki, we'll write Ka first. And here we will make like this. Ki. This is Ki. Now we'll see the U vowel sign. So we know how to write U. So we will make Ka with the U sound. So for that we will write Ka first. Ka. And for the U sound we will put one small round over here. That is Ku. Now let's see how the U vowel sign is used for the consonant Ka. So let's write U. U. So for now we want to make the U sound for the Ka. So we'll write Ka first. And we will make for U, we wrote one dot, no, one round. So like that we will make one more round for U. So that is U. The next vowel sign, that is So This is and now we want to make the sound for ka. So we can write ka first. And the sound is like this. You can say this kr. Okay. Now the a sound. Let's write a first. So here is a. So now we want to make the consonant ka with a sound. So for that we need to write, see, we'll write ka first. Okay, this one we want to make it a, right? So we need to prefix it with another letter like this. So that is K. Now all together, ka with a vowel sign is K. Now the vowel sound A. So we'll write A first. This is A. So now we want the A sound for ka. So we'll write ka first. Now this ka we want to make A sound. One shortcut is just remember this one. You need to put that the other way around. So here we will put like this. Like this. Now together this is K. The next vowel sign is I. So let's write I here. So now we need to make ka with the I sound. So as usual we'll write ka first. I'm writing like this to make you understand, right? Okay. So ka first, and we want to make it with I sound. So we have to write this one twice here. So we'll write so like this. So two of that makes ka kai. The next vowel sign is O. Let's write O. So now this O sound we have to make it for the consonant ka. So we'll write ka first. So this ka we want to make with O sound. For that we need to prefix one like this, and we have to put this. So it is ko now. The next vowel sign is O. So let's write O. So we want to make the consonant ka with the O sign. Okay. So we'll write ka first. Okay, now this ka need to be with the O sound. So we'll write like this, and another letter over here. So all together this is ka with the O sound. That means ko. The next vowel sign is ow. Let's see how to write ow. So we'll write O and make it ow. So that is ow. Now we'll make ka with the ow sound. So we'll write ka first. And we'll put this sign over here. So that is cow. That is cow. Ka with the ow sound. Now the next letter is Now we want to write ka with the sound. So we'll write ka first and we'll put this over here, so which makes it come. Now the last one, ka with the sound. So the vowel sign a. Now how will we make ka with the sound? That is very simple. Write ka and that's it. That is ka with the sound. So to conclude, let's see what all the letters we learned today. We learned how the vowel sign can be used, or diacritics can be used on the consonants. Now let's see how the vowel signs can be used for another consonant. For example, we learned with ka, right? We will use ta now. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tr, te, 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 tai, to, to, tau, tam, and ta. That's all for today. Hope you like the video. Please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Meet you all with another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.